quiz. Creating and managing a quiz in Quick Learn can be divided into multiple steps. Creating a question bank. Setting up your quiz. Add question to the quiz. Download results or responses from the quiz. Regrade the quiz when a particular question or options is incorrectly set up. To create a question bank, we need to create question categories and add questions into those categories. Let's see how this can be done using Quick Learn system. Click on the Quiz and Assessment button on the dashboard. Select the course in which you would like to create a question bank. Selected course content page is opened. Click on Settings icon on the top right corner of the page. Under Course Administration, select Categories under Question Bank. Categories page opens up. To add a category, select Parent Category from drop-down menu. Enter the name of the category, for example Electronic Circuits, Mod 1 Quiz 1. Then click on Add Category button. Category is created. Category being added will be displayed under Parent Category. To create subcategory, select the created category as Parent Category, and enter the name of the subcategory. Then click on Add Category button. There are different types of question in Quick Learn system. Some of them are multiple choice question, numerical question, fill in the blanks or also known as short answers, multiple choice with all or nothing where multiple options are correct, match the following, close or embedded question, and many more. Please refer to question types video to get more details about these question types. From course content page, click on Settings icon on the top right corner of the page. In the Course Administration menu, select Questions under Question Bank. To add question, in Questions tab, select the category from drop-down menu, and click on Create New Question button. Select the question type, and click on Add button. After entering the details, click on the Save Changes button. Your question gets saved. You may also add in the course content page. Click on Settings icon on the top right. Under Course Administration, select Import under Question Bank. Select the file format and import category. Check if you want to get the category from the uploaded file. Drag and drop the question bank file and click on Import. All the question will get imported. If there Setting up your quiz. From the course content, click on Create Learning Activity icon on the bottom of the page. In the activity pop-up screen, select the quiz module. Click on Add button. Enter name and description of the quiz. In description, instructions pertaining to the quiz can be given. To display the description on the course page, enable the checkbox. Set the timing for the quiz. Enable checkbox for Open the quiz. If you would like to open the quiz at a specific date and time, then select a date and time from the drop-down. Enable checkbox for Close the quiz. If you would like to prevent students from attempting the quiz after a certain date and time, then select a date and time from the drop-down. Enable checkbox if you would like the quiz to have a time limit, then enter the time allowed to complete the quiz in the time limit box. For when time expires, select Open attempts are submitted automatically. Disable submission grace period. Under Grade, select Grade category as uncategorized from drop-down menu. For grade to pass, enter the minimum grade required to pass. If no grade available, leave it as default. Set attempts allowed as 1. This defines how many attempts an individual student can take. For grading method, leave it as default. Under Layout, for new page, select the number of questions that appear per page, from drop-down. For navigation method, leave it as default. Under Question Behavior, set Shuffle within questions as Yes. It shuffles the questions for each of the students while issuing the quiz. Set how questions behave as Deferred Feedback. Leave it as default, for other fields in question behavior. Review options controls when students can review quiz attempts. The options available are during the attempt, immediately after the attempt, later while the quiz is still open, and after the quiz is closed. You can choose the appropriate option, depending on when you want the student to see the quiz. You can uncheck the attempt, marks and overall feedback fields under each of the options so that the student will not be able to see or review the quiz. For example, if you want the student to see the marks after the quiz is complete, under immediately after the attempt option, check the marks field and uncheck all the other fields. Similarly, if you want the student to see the attempt after the quiz is closed, you can check attempt under after the quiz is closed. Under extra restrictions on attempts, for required password field, set password string, preferably 6-digit number. Student must enter the password to attempt the quiz. Leave it as default for other fields. After entering the quiz settings data, click on Save and Return to Course button. Quiz is created. Add questions to the quiz. In the course content page, open the quiz to which question is to be added. Quiz page is opened, click on Edit Quiz button on the quiz dashboard. Or, click on Settings icon on the top right corner of the page and click on Edit Quiz under Quiz Administration menu. Edit Quiz page opens up, click on Add button. You have 3 options for adding a question to the quiz. A new question, where you can create a question directly in the quiz instead of adding in the question bank. From question bank, where you can select one or more question from the already created question bank. From a random question where one or more question is randomly picked from the selected question category. Let us click on the question bank now. Question bank pop-up screen opens up. Select the category from drop-down menu, from which questions to be added. Check on Also Show Questions from Subcategories, if question is to be added from subcategories too. Questions which are available under category and subcategory displays. Select the questions which are all to be added. Then click on Add Selected Questions to the Quiz button. Questions from the question bank is added to the quiz. To add a random question from question bank, click on the Add drop-down menu, click on a random question. Random question pop-up screen appears. To add random question from existing category, select the category from drop-down menu, from which question is to be added. Check on Include Questions from Subcategories too, if question is to be added from subcategories also. Select the number of random questions you want to add. Then click on Add Random Question button. Random question is added to the quiz. You can also add a question directly to the quiz. However, it is recommended to add the questions either as random or from the question bank. Once questions are added, the maximum grade can be changed to actual maximum marks. And also individual question marks can be edited by clicking on Edit button next to the question. Quiz result and responses. On the course content page, open the quiz to which you want to check grades and download report. Quiz dashboard page opens up. Click on Settings icon on the top right corner of the page. In the Quiz Administration menu, select Grades under Results, or click on Attempts, which is above Preview Quiz Now button. Grades page gets displayed. You can specify exactly what to include in reports by selecting students who have or not attempted the quiz, or students who have finished or never submitted the quiz. Then, click on Show Report button and scroll down the page to see results. The result of students is displayed in a tabular format. The results report provides a breakdown by question of how each student has performed on the quiz. To view an individual student quiz attempt, click on Review Attempt under a student name. To download report, click on Download button above the report table. The results can be downloaded in a different formats. To download the students' responses, open the quiz. Quiz dashboard page opens up. Click on Settings icon on the top right corner of the page. In the Quiz Administration menu, select Responses under Results. Select the details you want, and then click on Show Report. Then you can download the results by clicking Download button. Regrade the quiz. You can regrade the quiz attempts if a particular question is incorrect, or if you have missed alternative correct answers and fill in the blanks. In the course page, go to the question bank and edit the questions which are wrongly given. Then save the question. Select the quiz you want to regrade. In the course administration page, in the quiz administration menu, select grades under results, or click on attempts, which is above preview quiz now button. Grades page gets displayed. You can click on dry run for a full regrade to check the details and then click on regrade all the attempts.